Manna from heaven, the unexpected blessing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's as poetic as it is profound: manna from heaven. Join us as we uncover the origins, meanings, and modern applications of this beautiful expression. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious, this video is for you. Manna from heaven refers to an unexpected blessing or a sudden windfall that comes at a time of great need. The phrase originates from a biblical story in the book of Exodus, where manna, a substance that's described as bread from heaven, miraculously fed the Israelites as they wandered in the desert for 40 years. Thus, the expression embodies the idea of divine or unforeseen assistance. The story of manna from heaven is a cornerstone in Judeo-Christian tradition. Manna is depicted as a miraculous food provided by God to the Israelites during their travels in the desert. This historical context adds a layer of spiritual significance to the phrase, highlighting themes of faith, providence, and survival against the odds. In contemporary language, manna from heaven is used metaphorically to describe any good fortune or timely aid that appears unexpectedly. It could be a job offer when one has been unemployed for months, a financial gift during hard times, or even finding love when one least expects it. The key aspect of this phrase is the element of surprise and the profound impact of the received benefit. Let's look at how to incorporate manna from heaven into everyday conversation or writing. After months of job hunting, the unsolicited job offer was like manna from heaven. The scholarship was manna from heaven for her family, struggling to afford college tuition. Finding that rare book at the yard sale was manna from heaven for the collector. Manna from heaven is more than just a phrase. It's a narrative of hope, serendipity, and the joy of receiving unexpected gifts in life's desert moments. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with history, culture, and each other. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video. Keep learning and stay curious.